Good day, the listeners. Subject to discuss today is ICT, Information and Communication Technology. Target audience today are Junior Secondary School 1, JSS 1, UB 7. Topics to discuss today are computer, data and early counting device. Ẹ kú ìtẹ́tí sí ẹ̀yin olùgbọ́ mi. Iṣẹ́ tí a fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ nípa rẹ̀ lónìí ni kọ̀ǹpútà, ẹ̀rọ ayárabíàṣá, Information and Communication Technology. Ọ̀rọ̀, àsopọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ àti ẹ̀rọ tá a fi lè lò ó. Àwọn kíláàsì tí a fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ nípa iṣẹ́ wọn lónìí ni ẹlẹ́kọ̀ọ́bẹ̀rẹ̀ ìkíní ti girama kọ́lẹ́jì. Àwọn iṣẹ́ tí a fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ nípa rẹ̀ lénìí ni kọ̀ǹpútà, ẹ̀rọ ayárabíàṣá, dátà, ọ̀rọ̀, early counting device, àwọn tí wọ́n ń lò ní ayé àtijọ́ láti fi ka nǹkan. My name is Omoniyi Mujidat. My WhatsApp number is 08033683827. Orúkọ mi ni Ìyáàfin Omoniyi Mujidat. Ẹ̀rọ ìbánisọ̀rọ̀ mi ní 08080636352. Ẹ máa bá wa ká lọ. Key learning outcome objective. At the end of the lesson, students should be able to discuss computer, discuss data, explain and mention early counting device. Tí a bá parí iṣẹ́ ti tòní, àwọn tí a gbọ́dọ̀ gbámú ni kí ni wọ́n ń pè ní kọ̀ǹpútà, kí ni wọ́n ń pè ní ọ̀rọ̀, kí ni wọ́n ń lò ní ayé àtijọ́ láti fi ka nǹkan. Àwọn àwòrán yìí, àwọn ni àwòrán ẹ̀rọ ayárabíàṣá, oríṣiríṣi ni wọ́n wà. Ara àwọn àwòrán ayárabíàṣá ni fóònù ọwọ́ wa, ayárabíàṣá ni òun náà. Áìdà èyí tó ń ṣe browse ni àbí èyí tá a fi ń pè ayárabíàṣá ni òun náà. Àwọn láptọ̀pù tá à ń lò lẹ́ àwọn fóònù pélébé tán tóbi tán máa ń gbé ká tó dàbí ìwé, ẹ̀rọ ayárabíàṣá ni àwọn náà. These are the pictures of computer system, because it's the connections of different devices. Your phone, your iPad, your tablet, your note are also a computer. These are the early counting devices, abacus and slide. They are using these objects in counting earlier, before the arrival of computer. Ẹ̀rọ tó wà ní ẹ̀gbẹ́ kejì yìí, àwọn àwòrán yìí, àwọn ni tí wọ́n fi ń ka nǹkan ní ayé àtijọ́, à ń pè ní abakọ́sì. Wọ́n fi lẹ̀kẹ̀ àti igi ṣe àti rúlà gúngùn. What is computer? Computer is an electronic device that accepts data, store data, produce out results. What we mean by computer? What is computer system? Before we can talk about computer system, let us talk about system. What is system? System is a set of devices, part of devices, gadgets that connected together to perform a certain task. Monitor cannot work alone. CPU cannot work alone. Mouse cannot work alone. They are connected together to perform a certain task. That's what we call system. Human body is also a system because we have different parts of the body. We have hands. Hands cannot work alone. We have head, eyes, nose. All these parts cannot work alone without connected together. So therefore, let us talk about computer system. Computer system is a gadget, is a machine, is a device that accepts data, process it, store it, and produce output results. Computer can perform calculation. It can store data either for future use or temporary use, and also used to communicate, like our phone. We use our phone to communicate, sending information and receiving information. Computer also communicates with other devices like printer, scanner. We connect it to computer. Printer cannot work alone without the connection to the computer. Scanner cannot work alone without connecting them to computer. So that's why we call computer system, because it's the connection of different devices. Kí ni wọ́n ń pè ní ẹ̀rọ ayárabíàṣá? Ẹ̀rọ ayárabíàṣá ó jẹ́ ẹ̀rọ tí ń lo iná. A máa ń gba ọ̀rọ̀ sínú rẹ̀. Ìmọ̀ ń bá wa jọ ọ̀rọ̀ pọ̀. Ìmọ̀ ń bá wa ro ọ̀rọ̀ pọ̀. Ìmọ̀ ń bá wa fi ọ̀rọ̀ pamọ́. Ìsì tún máa ń fún wa ní ọ̀rọ̀ wa síta. A sì lè lò ó láti fi bá ènìyàn sọ̀rọ̀. A sì lè lò ó láti fi bá ẹ̀rọ míì náà sọ̀rọ̀. A máa sọ̀rọ̀ nípa ohun tí ń jẹ́ àsopọ̀. Kí ni ń jẹ́ àsopọ̀? System. Àsopọ̀ ní oríkèéríkèé nǹkan àbí oríkèéríkèé ẹ̀rọ tí wọ́n wá so wọ́n papọ̀ kí wọ́n tó lè ṣiṣẹ́ ẹyọ kan ṣoṣo, tó jẹ́ wípé apá kìíní kò lè dáṣẹ́ ṣe tí ẹ bá ṣe pé wọ́n fi apá kejì síbẹ̀, àbí orí rẹ̀ kò lè dáṣẹ́ ṣe tí ẹ bá ṣe pé orí ẹsẹ̀. Bí àpẹẹrẹ, ara àwa ènìyàn. Ara àwa ènìyàn jẹ́ ẹni tí wọ́n so pọ̀ káàkiri. A ní oríkèéríkèé ara. Ojú wa wà ń bẹ̀. Tí wọ́n bá connect ká yọ ojú wa kalẹ̀, kò ní ṣiṣẹ́ àfi tí wọ́n bá so pọ̀ mọ́ orí. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ọwọ́ wa. Ohun tí wọ́n ń pè ní àsopọ̀ nìyẹn. Ẹ̀rọ ayárabíàṣá alásopọ̀ ó jẹ́ nǹkan tí ó ń lo iná tí a fi ń gba ọ̀rọ̀ wọlé, tá a fi ń jọmi toro ọ̀rọ̀ pọ̀. Ó jẹ́ ẹni tí máa ń bá wa fi ọ̀rọ̀ pamọ́. Ó sì lè fún wa ní èsì ọ̀rọ̀ wa. Ó sì tún wá jẹ́ ẹni tá a fi máa ń ṣe àròpọ̀. A máa fi ń tọ́jú nǹkan. A máa fi ń sọ̀rọ̀. A máa fi ń bá ẹ̀rọ míì náà sọ̀rọ̀. Kí ni wọ́n ń pè ní data? What is data? I said it when I'm defining computer that data. Computer accepts data. Let us know what is data is. Data is a basic raw fact. It's a truth about something, but it's a raw. It's yet to be processed. If there's ever food, the food that's yet to be cooked. Data is a basic raw fact. Data can also be referred to as a quantitative information in both physical and digital form. For example, I want to prepare white rice. What are the ingredients that I need to prepare white rice. I need raw rice. I need water, pot, salt, fire. That's the ingredient. The ingredient is what we call data, because it's the fact. It's the ingredient I will use for rice. I cannot say I want to prepare rice and be looking for yam flour. You will know this is the first ingredient. But data is the basic fact. I want to prepare white rice, I will look for rice. It's not that I want to prepare rice and be looking for yam flour. No. Data is the basic raw fact. Data can be in number, it can be in alphabet, it can be in picture. Data is the basic raw fact. It's different from the data we are using for browsing. The one we are using for browsing is suspicion. Kí ni wọ́n ń pè ní data ọ̀rọ̀? Data jẹ́ òtítọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ tá a sì ṣe nǹkan kan nípa rẹ̀. Òtítọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ tá a sì ṣe nǹkan kan nípa rẹ̀. Bí àpẹẹrẹ, mo fẹ́ ṣe ìrẹsì funfun, ìrẹsì tí ń fi ọbẹ̀ jẹ. Àwọn kí ni mo nídìí tí màá fi ṣe ìrẹsì yẹn? Mo nídìí ráìsì tútù, mo nídìí omi, mo nídìí kòkò, mo nídìí iná àti iyọ̀. Ẹ ti mọ̀ pé n tí mo kó jọ ohun tí wọ́n bá sì sọ fún yín gan, ẹ ti mọ̀ pé ráìsì mo fẹ́ sè. Àmọ́ kí n wá ní mo fẹ́ ṣe ráìsì kí n máa lọ wọ́ èlùbọ́ àti orógùn, ẹ ti mọ̀ pé irọ́ pálábá ni. N tí wọ́n ń pè ní dátà nìyẹn. Òtítọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ àmọ́ àti ìṣe bákankan. Ó di tá a bá di pé à ń dà pọ̀ mọ́ra wọn. Tá a wá ń jẹ ráìsì ń wò, ṣé yóò jà, ṣé yóò dùn, ṣé yóò tó. Ìgbà yẹn la tún wá lè sọ pé ó ti di ọ̀rọ̀, which is called information. Data is a basic raw fact. Until you process the data before you can get information. If you don't process data, you cannot get information. Data is the fact about this project you want to do. Until you start execute the process before you can get meaningful information. Àwọn wo ni tí wọ́n ń pè ní data? What are the types of data? We have quantitative data. This quantitative data is a number, is a numerical, is a digit from 0 to 9. When you check your keyboard, either the keyboard of your phone or the normal keyboard that is on the desktop, you will see the number from 0 to 9. They may ask you how many number in the keyboard is 10, is 0 to 9. The reason why you cannot see 10 is that you can choose 1 and 0 making 10, 1 and 2 making 12. That is the reason why you cannot see 10 in keyboard. Then we have quantitative, non-numerical. This is not number. This is a combination of alphabet, image, audio, video. Alphabet A to Z. They may ask you how many alphabets in keyboard. We have A to Z, which is 26. Image is also a data. Voice audio is also a data. Video is also a data. Structure, you can call it structured or organized, is a table. Table also a data. Unstructured, unorganized. All those the email, WhatsApp, social media posts, also a data. Kí ni wọ́n ń pè ní data? A ti sọ nípa tó ń pè ní data, òtítọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ tá a ti ṣe ní nǹkan kan. Àwọn wo wá ní ẹ̀ka wo ni data? Ẹ̀ka wo ni òtítọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ tá a ti ṣe bákan? Àwọn náà ni nọ́mbà, àwọn 1 2 3 tó wà lára ìtẹ̀ nǹkan, kíbọ̀dù tó wà lára fóònù wa tá a máa fi ń tẹ nǹkan. A rí i pé tí a bá wo kíbọ̀dù yẹn dáadáa tó ṣe pẹlẹbẹ yẹn, nọ́mbà tó wà ń bẹ̀ láti òdo sí ẹ̀sán ni. A lè rí ẹ̀wá ń bẹ̀. Tá a bá fẹ́ tẹ ẹ̀wá, a mú òdo kan àti ọ̀kan láti ṣe ẹ̀wá. A mú ẹ̀wá, tá a bá fẹ́ tẹ mọ́kànlá, a mú ọ̀kan méjì ni. Wọ́n lè bi yín pé nọ́mbà mélòó, òǹkà mélòó ló wà ní ara kíbọ̀dù wa? Òǹkà mẹ́wàá ni, 0 dé 9. A sì tún ní àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tó jẹ́ pé ABC ni wọ́n, A to Z. A, B, D ni wọ́n. A tún ní àwọn náà níbẹ̀ tí àwọn olóyìnbó ń pè ní ABC. A sì ní àwòrán wa náà ọ̀rọ̀ ni. Ohun tá a bá fi sílẹ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ ni. Tébù tá a bá yà ọ̀rọ̀ ni. Àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tá à ń kọ ní orí ẹ̀rọ ayárabíàṣá, ẹ̀rọ ayélujára, gbogbo àwọn eléyìí náà ara ọ̀rọ̀ ni tó jẹ́ òtítọ́ ọ̀rọ̀. Àmọ́ mo fẹ́ sọ kinní kan nípa àwọn ẹ̀rọ tá à ń fi àwọn ìwé àbí àwòrán àbí gbogbo nǹkan tá à ń fi sí orí ẹ̀rọ ayárabíàṣá. Àwọn èèyàn mọ̀ túmọ̀ ẹ̀rọ ayárabíàṣá, ẹ̀rọ tó lu káàkiri àgbáyé. Tó bá ti fi nǹkan síbẹ̀ títí láéláé ni wọ́n mọ̀ rí pé ó fi síbẹ̀. Ọdọọdún ni ẹ̀rọ yẹn máa rán yín ní etí pé ìwọ lọ fi kíní yìí síbẹ̀, so tún fẹ́ fi síta káwọn èèyàn rí ni. Ẹ jẹ́ ká mọ ohun tí a máa gbé sí orí ẹ̀rọ wa. Ẹ jẹ́ ká mọ ohun tí a máa kọ nípa wa. Ẹ jẹ́ ká mọ ohun tí a máa gbé síbẹ̀, torí ohun tí a bá gbé síbẹ̀ ní ojúwe ewu èèyàn tí à ń ṣe. Ẹlòmíì ń bẹ tó bá fẹ́ kọ orúkọ rẹ̀, kò ní kọ ní bí ṣe ń kọ nínú èyí tó wà ní sàtífíkẹ́ẹ̀tì rẹ̀ àbí táwọn èèyàn mọ̀ọ́mọ̀, yóò kọ ní tolóyìnbó. Tí o bá kọ ní tolóyìnbó, tí o bá ń wá iṣẹ́, tó bá kọ́ débi tó ti ṣe àyẹ̀wò nípa iṣẹ́ tó ń wá, tí wọ́n ti ní o wá ṣe ìfọ̀rọ̀jómitoro ọ̀rọ̀ wò. Ìjọ́ tó bá ti mú ìwé lọbẹ̀ pé òun wá iṣẹ́, ìjọ́ yẹn tán ti gbà báyìí. Wọ́n lọ orí ẹ̀rọ ayélujára, irú kí ni, either Facebook rẹ ni, Twitter rẹ ni, àbí Telegram, àbí TikTok. Wọ́n lọ wo owó àwọn tó máa ń gbé síbẹ̀. Tó bá ṣe tí máa ń gbé òhò àwọn èèyàn síbẹ̀ ni, wọ́n ní eléyìí ò ṣe fún iṣẹ́. Tó bá ṣe tí kàn máa ń búyàn ni, àbí ẹni tí gbé àwọn nǹkan tó dára, wọ́n ní bó ṣe rí náà nìyẹn, wọ́n ní fún ẹ níṣẹ́. Àmọ́ tí o bá ń gbé síbẹ̀, mọ̀ pé nǹkan yẹn ni wọ́n fi máa júwe ara rẹ. What I'm trying to say is that social media post is a very, very important. Very, very important. But some don't know the usefulness, advantages and disadvantages of social media posts. Social media posts will describe who you are. Anything you are posting on social media is for long time, for life. Anybody can check your profile and check your posts. They will know who are you. Don't post anything that cannot describe you well on your social media. For example, you are going for interview, you are looking for a job. Some will write their name in English pronunciation. Write your name in the way you write it in your certificate. Because when you are looking for a job, you submit your CV. First thing they will do is that they will go and check your profile picture, profile information on Facebook or Telegram, TikTok, Instagram, X, to know who you are. But if you are the kind of person that you don't post something reasonable, they will say, no, we cannot give this person a job. But you will think you are catching fun. No, that one is not fun. Social media profile tells about you, describe you. Not everything that is happening in your life you will post on social media, because it's for life. Your great children may come across your posts. Please let us protect ourselves. I have an experience. One of our students, she is going for service and she lost their documents in filling station along Sobi Road, and she's going to Adamawa. Someone in that filling station see the particular, all the credentials at the corner of the petrol station, and they now pick the information. Unfortunately, I'm driving. I want to buy a fuel too. Now, one car just left, and the car carried all the coppers that they think this document is from that car. They are looking for phone number, everything, but they did not get any phone number. I now ask them, please let us try and type the name on the certificate on Facebook. Maybe we can get the owner of this document. And everybody say yes. We now open Facebook. We type the name of the person. He wrote it, we type the name on the certificate. But unfortunately for her, he wrote the name the way he did it. He wrote it in certificate. We use that Facebook to locate the ladies, and the ladies need to drop in the vehicle and come back to take their certificate. But if the lady use English name to type their name, we will not locate her. Please let us take the caution on how to use social media. Some will be looking for a job, and in their profile they will say, I'm working in so company. Let us take to it. Ìtí mò ń sọ ni pé mo ní experience kan nípa àwọn bá a ṣe máa ń kókọ wa lórí ẹ̀rọ ayélujára. Ní ọjọ́ kan ń bẹ, èmi ń lọ ibi iṣẹ́, mò ń wa mọ́tò lọ. Àwọn kan àwa fẹ́ ra epo. Ní ilé epo yẹn, bí a ṣe rí fódà kan tó contain gbogbo ìwé ẹ̀rí ẹnìkan nìyẹn. Wọ́n wá ní mọ́tò kan ló lọ ń bíbà, ó sì kó àwọn àgùnbánirọ̀. Ọ̀dọ̀ wọn ni ó ti bọ́lẹ̀. Wọ́n wá da gbogbo ìwé ẹ̀rí rẹ̀ lẹ̀, àrí ibi tí nọ́mbà wà. Èmi wá sọ fún wọn pé ẹ jẹ́ ká wò ó ní orí ẹ̀rọ ayélujára, ẹ kọ orúkọ tó wà níbẹ̀ síbẹ̀. Àwọn ilé epo yẹn sì síbẹ̀. Ọlọ́run sì bá ọmọbìnrin náà ṣe bí ṣe ń kọ orúkọ rẹ̀ ló kọ. Ọ̀nà yìí ni wọ́n gbà tí wọ́n fi ìwé ránṣẹ́ sí i, tó fi wá rí, tó fi bọ́lẹ̀ nínú ọkọ̀, tó ti mọ̀ pé nǹkan ṣe òun ló fi padà wá gbà. Tí ò bá kọ orúkọ rẹ̀ ní bó ṣe kọ sórí ìwé ẹ̀rí rẹ̀, ṣe ẹ mọ̀ pé àlè rí i. Ẹ mọ̀ bá wa tẹ́tí sí, ẹ dákun, ẹ take note of it. Characteristics of computer. Characteristics of computer. Àwọn àsopọ̀ kọ̀mpútà, àwọn n tó lè ṣe. Input device. Computer can input data through input device. You can input data to the computer through input device. Computer can access data through input devices. What are the examples of input devices? We have keyboard, we have mouse, light pen, joystick, scanner, microphone, etc. Processing. Computer can perform calculation, operation using a central processing unit. CPU. Central processing is the heart and the brain of computer. Computer can also store the data in a memory for long or short time. Computer have different size of memory that can store the data. Output. Computer display output results through output devices. What are the output devices? Monitor, speaker, printer. When you connect microphone as input device to the back of the speaker, when you are input information from the microphone, you will receive it from printer, from speaker. When you type information in your computer, you will receive the information from the printer. When we have two types of copy, we have soft copy, the one that you'll be looking at in the monitor. How the monitor look like? The one that look like television. You cannot touch it. The printer prints the one that you can touch it, which is hard copy. Control. Computer manage by operating system and software to control, coordinate, and monitor the activities in the computer. Àwọn iṣẹ́ tí kọ̀mpútà lè ṣe. Kọ̀mpútà máa ń gba ẹ̀rọ ayárabíàṣá kọ̀mpútà. Ó máa ń gba ọ̀rọ̀ wọlé. Kí ló fi máa ń gba ọ̀rọ̀ wọlé? Kíní tó pẹlẹbẹ, tó ní ABC àti 1 2 3, tó ní ABD àti òǹkà lórí, wọ́n máa fi ń gba ọ̀rọ̀ sínú kọ̀mpútà ni. Ọwọ́ wa tá a fi ń tẹ ojú fóònù wa, òun náà fi ń tẹ ọ̀rọ̀ wọlé ni. Scanner tí wọ́n fi ń ya àwòrán, kámẹ́rà tá a fi ń ya àwòrán, òun náà máa fi ń gba ọ̀rọ̀ sínú kọ̀mpútà ni. Kọ̀mpútà tún máa ń da ọ̀rọ̀ pọ̀. Yín máa ń fi ọ̀rọ̀ jómitóró ọ̀rọ̀. Yín máa ń ṣe ìṣirò. Yín máa ń fi ọ̀rọ̀ pamọ́. Yín sì máa ń bá wa ṣe àlàyé àwọn nǹkan kan. Ọpọlọ àti ẹ̀dọ̀ kọ̀mpútà òun ni ẹ́ńjìnì kan tí ń bẹ ní ẹ̀gbẹ́ rẹ̀ tó ń pè ní CPU. Bí àpẹẹrẹ tẹlifíṣàn tá a fi ń wo ìran nílé, ẹ mọ̀ pé òun nìkan ò lè dáṣẹ́ ṣe tí a bá fi dìkódà sí i àbí ká fi DVD tá a fi wò wọ́n sí i. You cannot use monitor without the CPU because the CPU is the heart and brain of computer. The CPU are the main function where all the cables, all the wires you connected together at the back of the CPU is the heart and brain of computer. Fi ọ̀rọ̀ pamọ́, ẹ̀rọ tí wọ́n fi ọ̀rọ̀ pamọ́. Kọ̀mpútà lè fi ọ̀rọ̀ pamọ́ fún ọjọ́ pípẹ́ àbí ní yàjóyàjó. Ó ní oríṣiríṣi àwọn ẹ̀yà ìfi ọ̀rọ̀ pamọ́. Output device. A lè rí gbogbo ohun tá a bá ṣe nínú kọ̀mpútà. A lè rí ibi èyí tá a gbà mú, a sì lè rí ibi èyí tá a mọ̀ wò tá a lè fọwọ́ kàn. Máíkrófóònù a máa fi ń gba ọ̀rọ̀ wọlé ni. Níta bá fi máíkrófóònù gbà wọlé, ibi spíkà láti gbọ́. Kọ̀mpútà sì tún ṣe alákòóso gbogbo iṣẹ́ tí a bá ṣe níbi kọ̀mpútà. Àwọn àwòrán yìí ni ẹ̀rọ ayárabíàṣá tá a lè fọwọ́ kàn. Àwọn ní lóríṣiríṣi yìí. These are the parts of computer system. These are the parts of computer system. These are the monitor, printer, keyboard, mouse, flash drive. All these are the parts of computer system. Evaluation. What is computer? Computer is an electronic machine that accesses data, process data, store data, and produce results as information. We have different types of computer. We have smartphone, laptop, desktop, and GSM, etc. What is data? Data is a basic raw fact. Is a truth about the project. We have different types. We're supposed to talk about early counting devices, what they are using in olden days for counting. And that is where we are going to start our next lesson. I've shown you the pictures of the early counting devices, what they are using in the olden days for counting. This is where we are going to stop for today, and we are going to have some homework. Evaluation. Ẹ jẹ́ ká yẹra wa wò. Kí ni wọ́n ń pè ní kọ̀ǹpútà? Kí ni wọ́n ń pè ní ẹ̀rọ ayárabíàṣá? Ẹ̀rọ ayárabíàṣá jẹ́ mọ́sínì kan, ẹ̀rọ kan tó jẹ́ pé ń lo iná ni. A máa fi ń gba ọ̀rọ̀ wọlé, a máa fi ń ọ̀rọ̀ jomitoro ọ̀rọ̀ nínú rẹ̀. A sì máa fi ń ṣe àwọn ìṣirò, a sì máa fi ń tọ́jú àwọn iṣẹ́, a sì tún máa fi ń gba iṣẹ́ jáde. Kí wọ́n ń pè ní data ọ̀rọ̀. Òtítọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ nípa nǹkan tí a bá fẹ́ ṣe tí a ti ṣe, àmọ́ òtítọ́ ni àwọn èròjà tó jẹ́ òtítọ́ tá a fi ṣiṣẹ́. Ó yẹ ká sọ̀rọ̀ nípa ẹni tí wọ́n fi ń ka nǹkan ní ayé àtijọ́, àmọ́ ibẹ̀ la ó ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ ní ọ̀sẹ̀ míì. Mo ti fi àwọn àwòrán ẹni tí wọ́n fi ń ka nǹkan ní ayé àtijọ́, ara àwọn tí wọ́n ń lò fún nǹkan kíkà ní ayé àtijọ́, ara wọn náà òkúta ó wà ní ibẹ̀, ìka wa náà ó wà níbẹ̀, àti àwọn máṣíìnì méjì tí mo ti fi hàn wá níwájú. Ibẹ̀ yẹn là ó ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ ní the next class.